You found a profitable trading strategy. Great. But here's the problem. A strategy means nothing if you can't execute it consistently. Manual trading. You miss entries. You hesitate. You make mistakes. And automation. It's complicated. You either learn coding or pay thousands to developers. And still, results aren't guaranteed. Broken logic, execution errors, zero flexibility. That's why most traders never automate. And that's exactly where they lose their edge. Now imagine this instead. You just describe your strategy in plain English. And within seconds, it becomes a fully working trading bot. That's exactly what Trade with Homie does. Now we're going to automate the strategy shown in this video.
I've been withdrawing $70,000 every month this year thanks to this easy trading strategy. On the 5-minute time frame at 9:30 a.m., I'm simply looking at the first 3 candles. This creates my range high and my range low. Then I want to see the price either break and close out the top or the bottom. In this case, it broke and closed out the top. That means I want to buy. The next step, I'm just waiting for a pullback to an area I like, an area of demand. Once we get to that level, I enter the trading position, then the position goes in my direction and smashes my take profit.
Now, search tradewithhomie.com. Open the platform, choose the AI Bot Builder feature, and click Get Started. Now, click Build Your EA. Select your platform, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Now this is where everything happens. You simply type the strategy in plain English. Then submit. Once you submit your strategy, the system instantly creates a strategy planner. This planner breaks down your idea into entry conditions, exit rules, risk management, and trade filters. Everything is structured like a professional trading system, ready to be converted into a fully working bot. Once you click Build Your EA button, our Homie agent starts building your trading bot. It processes your strategy, structures the logic, and converts everything into a fully working expert advisor. Within seconds, your bot is ready. Your strategy becomes a fully functional trading bot, ready for MT4 or MT5. No coding, no errors, no manual work. Copy the generated code, head over to MetaTrader, create a new file and give it a name. Paste the code into the editor and compile it. No errors. Then attach the EA to your chart. Adjust your settings if needed. And that's it. You can also modify or change the logic of your trading bot anytime using the Homie AI Logic Assistant. Just describe the changes you want, and the system updates your bot instantly. No coding, no complexity, and that's it. Your strategy is now live. Try it yourself. Take your strategy, turn it into a bot, and let automation handle the execution. Link in the description.